Good morning, all of you. My name is Harsh, studying in 5th class in Capt. Zile. Today I am telling about liquids. In liquids, there are some space in the particles. They is not rigid as solids. They have not definite volume and shapes. Liquids can flow. For example, juice, petrol, milk, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Neha and today I am explain about state of matter. The tiny particles are very tightly held and cannot move on, and they have fixed shape and have definite shape and do not move at all there. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Zile. Today I explain about gases. Loosely packed particles have large space between them and exit force attraction. Definite shape nor volume. Move freely. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Pasha. So today I am tells about melting. A solid change into a liquid when it is heated. This process is called melting. When a solid is heated, its particles start moving faster and freely. A stage comes overcome the force of attraction between them.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Siddharth. Today I am tell about evaporation. On heating a liquid, it changes into a gas. This process is called evaporation. Thank you.
My name is Gurshik. I am explain about freezing. A liquid change into solid. This is called freezing. For example, water change into ice on cooling. The particle can move closer in cooling. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Harshit. Today I am explain about condensation. A gas converts into liquid on cooling. The process is called condensation when the water vapor comes in control with a cold surface. Thank you and have a nice day.